Already having this issue when you try to install a new theme in a WordPress site? You're getting the message that it's missing the Style.css style sheets. It's most likely because you downloaded the zip and you're trying to upload the entire zip. What you need to do is, so you've downloaded the zip, right? You need to extract from that, and then you'll have two underneath it. And you want to start by installing the first one. So there you go. You've got that now installed. So if I activate it, that's now active. Now the next thing you want to do, install that child content. Or you don't necessarily need to if you don't want to install the content, but that's going to give you all that default content and stuff like that. So that's most likely the cause if you're getting that error. And as you can see, that's now updated as well. So there you go. Hopefully that solves that problem. Just a quick little thing that you need to do.